Hey guys, it's your girl Anna and I am back with a brand new video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Remember to turn your post notification bell on. Happy New Year! Yeah, it's been the first video for the year and I hope to have a productive year. Today I'll be looking about some curry goat. Stay tuned if you'd like to see. So guys, this is like my second curry goat video on my channel and it's also a short one. I don't know why the curry goat video them always short, so cause I guess curry goat is just to the point. Well, this is the goat. Normally I'd say curry mutton, but curry mutton come from sheep. This is curry goat, right? So the goat pretty. As usual, you have to wash it down, wash it off. Do the good stuff them. So this is me washing it with some running water and some vinegar. Now, you can use lime juice, some other liquor stuff, but I'm using vinegar. And I've seasoned this with some cumin, turmeric, curry powder, gram masala, some Maggi, black pepper, pimento. What else did I put on it? Ginger and garlic powder. And of course, you have to have your ground seasoning. Because with curry goat, you have to season it while cooking, like before cooking it and then after cooking it with your ground season for it to actually taste like curry goat. So I have some onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, ginger, pimento, rosemary, and thyme, right? So here we have a pot with some hot oil. Medium heat, nothing too hot. You don't want it to be too hot because it will burn the seasoning before. I put some pimento in and this is to flavor the oil. A piece of garlic, ginger, onion, of course. And we're going to have this simmering for like a minute on medium to low heat. You don't want this to burn any at all. Now I'm adding some turmeric powder and curry powder. And I always tend to use two once I'm cooking curry. I don't know. Grandmother grow me good or she grow me bad. I don't know which one of them. So you're just gonna give this a stir, and for everybody who come from me know a wrong spoon I use to the spot. Hence the reason my pot have like a scrapings in it. But whole habits die hard. Now you're gonna put that meat in the pot, put that goat in the pot, right? And wow, just look at this. This is some good goat. Am I wrong or am I right? I'm right, I know that. So after putting all the goat in the pot with the onion, scallion, thyme, and all of the ground season on it, so now you're gonna cover your pot right after this. Well, before you cover your pot, ensure you give the pot a stir to ensure that everything well incorporated, everything well nice. The oil is getting on each piece of meat, all of the good stuff them. And normally when you're cooking your protein, you normally don't add the seasoning to it so early out in the cooking. But for curry goat, for it to have the flavor that you want it to have, the good flavor, you ensure that the ground seasoning are in the pot from beginning to end. So I'm going to re-season again when it's near cooking. So this is what it looks like once you're cooking, and let me tell you, seeing this is okay, but if you were to smell this, you would fall in love. Trust and believe. So you know you're going to spring it on like water once you cover it down. And voila, that's what happened. Yeah. So at this point, nothing else is added to it. Everything is all added. So you're just allowing it to cook now. You could have used, or I could have used a pressure cooker, but I want my meat to slow cook. And this is not on high heat. This is on medium heat. And this took a while to cook. I don't want to tell any lie. It took a while. And how can you forget your pepper? And so your pepper is one of the most important parts of this dish. And ensure that once you're cooking protein, you use a colored pepper, not a green. Well, green is a color, but don't use a green pepper. You use a red pepper or a yellow pepper. But not the green one, because for flavoring. So now after the meat has already cooked and all these nice things, I'm adding some carrots, some onions, Irish onion and all of the stuff then. Yeah. And I'm going to allow that to cook. Allow it to cook, and trust and believe, now you're smelling everything. So while that I go and cook done, I'm putting on the rice. And what better to have curry goat with than white rice? So let me season up the pot. It have scallion, thyme, garlic, ginger, and a little salt, a piece of butter. So this is what the curry looks like while it's cooking down. And the water still long, as Jamaicans would say. So we are waiting for it to simmer down a little bit more. And trust me, food smell good. Food tastes good. Gal can cook. And me say so. I'm sure. Funny enough, I love curry goat, but I love it with roti. And you put your green pepper in your white rice. If you cook rice and peas, they use colored pepper. And that is it. So we're going to allow the rice to go and cook down a little. And the water over your rice should be just an inch. So, see the rice are come together. It's not finished yet, but it's coming. Okay? It's coming. So I'm going to remove all the seasoning from the top of it and allow it to finish cook. Thanks for coming. Bye.